Welcome back to Lucky Dip. I am Sarah Marie and I have the most exciting episode today. There's nothing over $14 in here. And when I say I was happy with every single product in this surprise bag, like obsessed. Okay, so excited for this. Under $15. Fingers crossed, everything is amazing. Ouch. Okay, well, I didn't kill anything today. The OXX Lip Butter Gloss and the OXX Peel Off Lip Liner Stain. I feel like I have seen these on TikTok and Instagram lately where they put the stain on, let it dry, and like you peel it off. So let's see how well that works on me. Kind Collective Got Me Blushin Lip and Cheek Mousse. Catrice Under Eye Brightening Instant Awake Corrector. And we've got the OXX Silk Finish Luminous Foundation. At the moment, all these products are for sale at under $15. So right now, this foundation is on sale for $12. The OXX Lip Gloss Butter is $6. OXX Peel Off Lip Liner Stain is $8. Okay, the Catrice Under Eye Brightening is $7.50. The Kind Collective Lip and Cheek Mousse is $14. The most expensive thing here is 14 bucks. Like, that is crazy. All right, I'm gonna start with the Under Eye Brightener. I don't have any makeup on as per usual. With these, usually you don't need too much. So you can see it's that really nice, it's kind of like a pinky undertone. Please ignore my eyes. I don't know why I'm bloodshot right now. So I probably need this under eye corrector. I'm gonna just tap that in. Take a look at this eye. It looks really, really fresh. You can't really see the bluing and the darkness, and I haven't even used a concealer compared to this one where it's like, you can clearly see the dark circles there and it's more tight and dull. Okay, the next thing I am going to be using today is the Luminous Foundation. This is in color Golden 6.25. The texture looks really creamy and it does have a nice glowy finish to it. So let's just put one streak down the face and see. It actually has quite a lovely glow. I just have my skincare on, I don't have any primer, and I'm really liking how that's sitting. It's got really lovely medium coverage. Actually, it's like medium to full. Because I don't have a concealer to add on top of the corrector, I am going to just put the foundation on top. I don't think I'm gonna need a separate concealer for this. Oh, that bloodshot eye. Okay, so far, the color corrector and the foundation, absolutely love them. The quality feels very luxe, actually. I don't feel like I'm trying any products under $15 so far. I am going to now use the Kind Collective Got Me Blushin Lip and Cheek Mousse. Oh, okay, let's swatch this so you can see the color. Super cute. There is actually a trick I learned about applying a cream blush. So you apply the blush to the back of your hand here and you massage the two together, and that's technically meant to give you the perfect amount of blush for your cheeks, and then you press that on, and then you just pat that in with your hand. So it's like the perfect application and the perfect amount on the perfect spot. Okay, get rid of this. All right, let's see this peel off stack. I am actually really excited to try this. I've been wanting to try this for a while. For those who are not aware, OXX is actually a brand in Kmart, so it's a very easy run in and grab type of product. I'm a big fan in general. I think they're very affordable and very, very good. Trace along the lip line or all over the lips, let dry for 10 to 20 minutes.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Okay, I can actually feel it drying. I should have actually used the liner first and then done my makeup. So little tip, If you're going to use this product, it is best to put that first and then put all your other makeup on. And by the time you've done that, it should be ready for you to peel off. So I'm just gonna speed the process up by fanning it. All right, I'm gonna give it a little extra time. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to get the blush again. Let's just like rewind for a moment. Let's just get the blush. I do have the lip gloss butter here. So I'm going to use a bit of the lip gloss butter mixed in with this blush. And I think I'm gonna use that as like a creamy eyeshadow today. Ouch! Again, I'm gonna use my hands. So let's just pop a little bit on my eyelids. And then I'm gonna just like blend that in a little bit. I actually really like that. It's really lovely, like, oh my gosh, what do I do? I've never done any of these things before. Okay. Oh, it's working, it's working. Look, look, look. Oh my God, it works. Ah, it works. Okay, let's do the other side. Oh, it works. Oh my God, it actually works. Okay. Okay, look at the difference. All right, so that's what it looks like before I peel it, and that's what it looks like once you peeled it. And then I'm gonna put the gloss on top of that. That is so satisfying. Oh my God, I'm like a snake shedding my skin. Look, look. I can't believe that's $8. Like, that's insane. I think this is too clear with this as a liner. I think I needed this to be a little bit darker. I'm gonna actually use this on my whole lip because this color is really, really pretty. I normally don't like a lip stain, but I'm actually really liking this, and I love that you can peel it off. Just use my bougie fan. It's so good. Okay, now I'm gonna put the gloss on top just to give it a little bit of shine. It's actually not dry from the peel. My lips were a little dry before. Oh my goodness, I love when something like lives up to the hype. Everything's a win today, and I just can't believe that for that quality it was under $15. That's all for Lucky Dip today. Join us next week. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below. Bye.